Each day you will notice wonderful improvements physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. You will enjoy life more each day. Your happiness keeps increasing. And you become more enthusiastic and more optimistic each day. You will see life as a wonderful experience with great opportunities. And as you continue improving, you'll be more able to depend upon yourself. You'll have increased confidence in your own judgment, your own opinion, and your own point of view. Your self-confidence, your self-reliance, your self-acceptance, your self-esteem grow stronger. And you will continue to be more successful in everything that you do. You see, you're already taking one of the most important actions that you can take to increase your self-confidence. Permitting yourself to be hypnotized is one of the most helpful, most beneficial acceptance that you can do for increasing your self-confidence and giving yourself peace of mind and health in body.